Welcome to HighYield Med Reviews and this quick tips tutorial. Today we'll cover how to access the tools and resources available to you in your package. At HighYield, we follow the educational philosophy of knowledge transfer. We take a stepwise approach to ensure you aren't just memorizing facts, you're understanding core concepts. This results in higher test scores and better care for the patients you serve. We do this through the process learn, practice, apply, review. You may have some or all of the following components that fit into this HighYield model for success. Lectures and eBooks provide core content and concepts for learning. The QBank allows you to practice that knowledge and helps it stick and connects the dots. The case-based integrated reviews apply the explicit information to more complex cases so you can apply critical thinking and gain deeper understanding. Finally, the My Performance tools and rapid review products refresh what you have learned and identify any gaps so you can focus your final study and be ready for success on your exam. The lectures, QBank, and webinars can be found on your dashboard. Your dashboard tools are available immediately and there's no app required. Simply go to your dashboard at HighYield Med Reviews, or for quicker access on a device, add a push icon from your phone menu. If your package includes an ebook, you'll receive access within 2 hours of purchase. You can access your ebook through the e-reader app found in the Apple or Google Play Store, or through a browser at highyieldmedreviews.com/ebook. If you just completed your purchase, you're already logged in. Let's take a look at your dashboard. Each of the components of your subscription will have a click to activate button. This simply means that you will not begin counting down the time on your subscription for each component until you click to activate. Now that our QBank is active, we can set up a session. To learn about the tools available to you in the QBank, visit our QBank Quick Tips tutorial. You can always return to your dashboard by clicking the dashboard quick link in the header. Now let's activate our lectures. Lectures are grouped into categories for your convenience. Simply drop down, select the lecture you want to watch, and click Redeem. Each lecture has a 24-hour redemption period that works like a video rental. During that 24 hours, you can watch, rewatch, rewind, and fast forward as many times as you'd like. Your remaining redemptions are always available on your lecture center. To learn more about the features of your lectures, visit our Lecture Quick Tips tutorial. Finally, let's look at the ebook. If your package includes an ebook, you will have access within 2 hours of purchase. You can access your ebook on the e-reader link or on your mobile device through the HighYield e-reader app. Accessing on the app allows you to download the book and have offline access. For more detailed information on the e-reader features, check out the Getting Started Guide chapter or watch our ebook tutorial. Your ebook table of contents is organized identically to your lecture series with drop-down menus. You can highlight, bookmark, and take notes in your ebook. Thank you for choosing HighYield Med Reviews for your preparation needs. Learn more about your products and their features on our frequently asked question page or on the tutorial page. Find both at highyieldmedreviews.com.